Hello, have you ever been told that creating a Clickbank account in Nigeria is very difficult? Yes, I must tell you, that is the basic truth. Creating a Clickbank account as a Nigerian, it is very difficult because Nigeria has been blacklisted. This means that if you are in Nigeria, you cannot create a Clickbank account. And having a Clickbank account gives you more opportunity to make money online as an affiliate marketer. As big money, I mean dollars and upon dollars. But in this video, I'm going to guide you the step by step in which you can actually create a Clickbank Nigeria, a verified Clickbank account in Nigeria, a verified Clickbank account in Nigeria and any other country that have been blacklisted. So stay with me to the end of this video. Within a click of the eyes, within a very limited amount of time, within 5 minutes, you should have your own verified Clickbank account as a Nigerian or any person in the world, anywhere you are in the world, any country that have been blacklisted. So let's get started. Now, before we continue with the video, it is very important you do this very few steps. The first thing you are going to go is to just come on and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So I create video on how you can make money online and offline and anything surrounding business and how your life can become better. Alright, so let's get started. And then you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, to be able to create a Clickbank account as a Nigeria, it is important that your IP address changes. Yes, you have to hide your IP address. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way without downloading any software, without downloading any application, just with a browser. You'll be able to hide your IP address and you'll be good to go to create a Clickbank account, a verified Clickbank account within a very short period of time. So to get started, all you have to do is to first go to your Google, your Chromes, and search for Epic Browser, EPIC-BROWSER. You see this logo like this. So all you have to do is just to click on it and download it on your laptop. So you can download it on your laptop, and it's also available. You can also get it as an application by going to Google Play Store. Now, this is going to enable you to be able to hide your IP address. Now, when your IP address is being hidden, then no one will know where you are. Yes, you can be in Nigeria and your IP address will say you are in London. Please, this video is just for educational purpose and to help you to make money, because as a Nigerian, no one should be deprived the opportunity of making legal money. So let's get started. So all you have to do is just to click on download here. You download it and install it on your laptop, or you go to Google Play Store here and install it on your phone. I've already installed my own. So when you install it, you have a logo. You have a logo like this. You can see it at this edge here. All you have to do is to come over to their browser. So I am here in their browser. This is the browser here, and from here you can be able to hide your IP address. So if I should come to Google Chromes here and I search and I use this browser, whoa.net, okay, whoa.net, this is going to show me where I am presently. Okay, it's going to show me my my location. Now, with showing my location, it means that I'm in Nigeria. Okay, presently I'm in Nigeria, somewhere in Nigeria here. So this is going to show me my IP address. So it's going to take a little while. Let me just finish loading. As you can see, it said I'm in Nigeria. You can see it's everything here. But I want to hide my IP address so I can actually have access to creating my own Clickbank account. Now, this does not only work for Clickbank. It works for any website that is providing you access to log in, access to register. So you can use the information you get in this video to be able to get access to websites in which you can actually make money, legal money. So let's get started. So as you can see, my IP address is showing that I'm in Nigeria here. So all I have to do but when I come to this Epic browser and I search for I search for the same website, it's going to show me a different IP address. It's going to show me where I am differently. Yes, I'm not in Nigeria. You see that. So let's just wait for you to load. As you can see, it's showing that I'm in Germany. Presently, I'm in Germany, somewhere in Germany. So this has actually hide my IP address, and this is going to give me access to be able to create my own Clickbank account. So let's just get started. Now, to be able to do this, immediately you download your Epic browser. You just have to come to these 3 dots here, then come to more tools, then you come to extension to be able to hide your IP address. So when you come to extension, all you have to do is to, as you can see, I've actually installed this. That is why my IP address is being hidden. So you can just come here and search for Epic browser, or better still, just search of this Epic web store. So from there you're going to get access to the extension. Alright, so this is the extension you're going to install, this encrypt Browser VPN. So just download it, install it. When you do that, you have an icon here. At your own, it will turn to, it will be in red color. So if you off it now, it will be in red color. So I have on my own and I've choose Germany. So you can choose any country, but I advise you to choose Germany, because if you choose USA, because of tax and this and that, it may become very difficult for you to be able to make enough money. So all you have to do now is for you to go to Clickbank itself now. Okay, so I'm just going to put in clickbank.com here. Just search for that, Clickbank. Alright, clickbank.com on this Epic browser. So search for Clickbank account, clickbank.com on this Epic browser. So this is going to give you more access to everything you need. So all you have to do is just come to sign up. Okay, let us go through it. You know, this is the Clickbank account, you can make money, this and that. So just click on sign up. Let us go straight to the business. Click on sign up. Okay, so it's loading. Now you click on sign up. You just have to sign up everything here. So your country, so since we have hidden our IP address to be Germany, so just search for Germany. You can just press G and search for Germany here. Then your first name, you can put your real name. So let me just put my name here. Just write a literal name here, just to show you example. Then for you to get, since you have said you are in Germany, you must actually get a Germany phone number. All you have to do is you just come to this website, receive sms.info. So from here you are going to get a German number. I'm going to put this website in the comment box or in the description box below. Just click on it and you get it. All you have to do is just to copy number. So I'm going to click on copy number here, and or better still, copy number, then come over here and put in my number, the number I've copied. Okay, alright, I have to add a valid number. So let's see, copied number. Okay, copied. Come here and let's install that again. Oh, the number is breaking. So all I have to do now, let me try to refresh this, because I've opened it down a while. Let me refresh that, and I can actually copy everything here. Let me just copy it here once and for all to avoid it breaking off again. Just Ctrl V. So that has been done. You can put your email account here. So I'm going to put in my email in, just for this sake of this tutorial. I'm going to put in an email here. Okay, at gmail.com. So you can put in your own email. Alright, so then put in passwords. I'm going to just type in my password here. Okay, so you must follow all this. So if you don't follow all this, your password is not going to go through. So let me just follow that. Okay, alright, so that's been done here. Just come over and click on continue to terms and conditions. Just have to read this. So I'm going to go to the bottom here and click on accept terms and conditions. Then I'm going to click on join Clickbank. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, as you are waiting, so please don't forget to subscribe, click on the subscription button and like. Just give a thumb up to this video. So please, this motivates me to create more video that can make things go well as you want here. So just click on no, you don't want, I'll just do it alone. Click on you do it alone and click no, thanks, just send me to my account. Alright, so if you use any other means, probably as a Nigerian, you will get access to all these. So just come down here and click on download suppression list. Alright, so that being done, then you can click on complete my profile. So here you have to complete your profile. So these are the other things you have put in before. So now you have to get a German address. So just come to this website. I'll put the website also below, known as bestrandom.com. So I'm going to pick a random address here. This is the name of this street here. We're going to come to see that. Then copy the street address and Ctrl V that here. Alright, this one is optional. So the state, let's go back to this website here and search for the city. This is the city first. Let me first put the city. Ctrl C the city. Alright, go to V, Ctrl V the city here. Then for the region, so what region is this city in? Wieland. Okay, Wieland. We go to search for that. Anything like that. Okay, I see this is it here. So search for that, then come over to the zip code or postal code. Come here and just, so this is the zip code or postal code here. Go to Ctrl C this. Alright, then come back here and Ctrl V that. Okay, so that's all you have to know. Then here your payer and the name. You can just put any name you want to put here. So let me just call this top 123 or anything you want. Okay, then your how do you want? So I'm going to put promote product as an affiliate. You can just choose any one here. So let me just choose the second one here and click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, it's going to take to the next one. Now you can see that my profile has been updated successfully. If you do not do it this way, you won't be able to follow, you won't be able to go more than this area. So that you created successfully. This means that you have gotten a verified Clickbank account without spending money anything, without necessarily leaving Nigeria. You are in Nigeria here or any place you are, and you have gotten this. So let's now go straight. So let's go. You can come to your dashboard if you want to see and see how things are. So they will tell you all this and say hello, Temitope. I've already got things. So you can actually leak if you want to leak. So all this one is not actually it's not that important. All you have to do is just go to marketplace here and you can see affiliate program that you want to promote. Is that not beautiful? So ladies and gentlemen, that is the easiest way. This is the easiest way you can actually get your Clickbank account as a Nigerian here. So let's say you want to promote anything. Let's say you want to promote something that is have to do with, let's say money or anything. So let's say maybe your what you want to promote is something that has to do with wealth. So let's just wealth here and search for wealth. Okay, you can actually use this one to find products if you want to. So you search for wealth and you can come here and increase the graffiti so that it's the one that has high money that will appear to you. Alright, so it's going to, so this is the one here. If you promote this system, you have 18,500. So that is not so impressive. You can just try to increase the graffiti here. So when you search by graffiti and you search from high to low, so it's going to tell you the one that's high. So when you search for where this is the presently high one, you can just come here and search for any product, or better still, just get the product that you want here. Just come to affiliate marketplace and you get anything you want to promote. Look at everything here, just based on your niche, get anything you want here. So when I click on game here, probably I play game and this and that, you see everything available on game. So let's say you want to promote this one that is around about 50. Okay, there's one up here, this one up here. Just click on promote. Okay, I saw one that's actually big. Okay, so let's see that. Just click on promote there. Then your upline is going to, your upline generator is going to appear. So you're able to put you can also put anything you want to put here and click on generate upline. So this upline is what you'll be sending to people, where when they click on it, they are going to be able to click, you'll be able to make money. So ladies and gentlemen, please, if you like this video, please kindly subscribe, like and share, comment below and let me hear about your experience. If you want me to create more on how you can actually make money on Clickbank, comment below, say that you want more and I'll be able to create more. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. My name is Daniel Delboy. I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.